sub pulse and the pulse delay of IPL. For the IPL handpiece itself, it can emit the light, and meanwhile, for the front part of the crystal, it has the cooling system. Why? It's because the cooling, the temperature goes to 0 to 5 degrees. It is for protecting of the epidermis from burns. And because for our epidermis, and we cannot afford to high temperature, but our inside dermis, and if we give enough energy, and we can reach to a kind of treatment result. So in order to protect our epidermis, and meanwhile give enough energy to the dermis, so we have the cooling system for the crystal. Because of this, for the handpiece, during the treatment, it is necessary for the handle to be contacting with the skin properly, because the cooling of the crystal needs to help to lower the temperature of the epidermis skin. Cooling is necessary during the whole treatment. And also after the treatment of IPL, and we need to do some repairing work. Why? It's because our theory is to burn the inside and then to reconstruct the cells, reconstruct our skins, reconstruct the treatment area. So after that, in order to stimulate the growth of the cells, and we need to help it to growth, and then we need to use like some repairing cosmetics in order to help our skin to regrow and to become better much quicker. So the repair work is very necessary. And sun protection is after the treatment. Be careful of the sun. But during the treatment, you already use the very strong light to do the treatment. And then if you don't care about it and then go to sun bath and go to a beach, and then you are giving more energy to the skin, it is not good for the treatment area. So after the treatment, you need to be careful of the sun and to do sun protection. The pulse delay means this part. If you can see the PPT, and you can see, and the upper part is the pulse width, and the down part is pulse delay. If you're already getting in touch with the IPL system, and you will know that for the IPL itself, when you are making one shoot, actually it is coming out more than one shoot. If you set as like 2 pulses or 3 pulses, then it is adjustable. So because of this, there is a pulse width and also pulse delay. And the pulse delay is to help the skin to rest for a little bit and to protect heat hurt. So for different treatment, how to adjust the pulse width and how to adjust the pulse delay, it is very important.